What if Audi took everything it learned from motorsport? Everything it mastered in performance engineering, and everything it knows about luxury, and poured it into one breathtaking machine? Introducing the all-new 2027 Audi Nuvolari. A futuristic hypercar designed to challenge Ferrari, embarrass supercars costing twice as much, and redefine what an Audi can be. This isn't just another performance car. It's a statement. A machine engineered to dominate roads, racetracks, and social media feeds alike. And today, we're taking a deep dive into Audi's most ambitious supercar ever created. From its jaw-dropping design, to its futuristic cockpit, to the unbelievable power hiding beneath its sculpted body. You won't want to miss this. Let's begin. The moment the Audi Nuvolari appears, everything else disappears. This car looks like it arrived from the year 2035. Low, wide, aggressive, and impossibly beautiful. The front fascia is dominated by Audi's signature single-frame grille, now redesigned with active aerodynamic elements that automatically adjust airflow depending on speed and driving conditions. Ultra-thin matrix LED headlights stretch across the front end, creating a futuristic light signature unlike anything Audi has produced before. Every line serves a purpose. Every curve improves airflow. Every detail contributes to performance. Moving to the side profile, the Nuvolari sits incredibly low to the ground. Massive carbon fiber side intakes channel cool air directly into the engine compartment. The dramatic sculpted doors flow seamlessly into muscular rear haunches, giving the car a stance that looks ready to launch at any moment. The forged lightweight wheels measure 21 inches in the front and 22 inches in the rear. Behind them sit gigantic carbon ceramic brakes capable of stopping this machine from extreme speeds with confidence. At the rear, things become even more dramatic. A full-width OLED light bar stretches across the entire back section. An active rear wing deploys automatically at high speed. And beneath it sits an aggressive carbon fiber diffuser designed to maximize downforce. The result? A supercar that looks stunning while generating race car levels of aerodynamic efficiency. This is Audi design at its absolute peak. Open the butterfly doors, and the future welcomes you. The cockpit feels less like a car, and more like a high-tech fighter jet. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The seats are lightweight performance buckets specifically designed to keep occupants comfortable during long drives and secure during aggressive track sessions. Directly ahead sits Audi's next-generation digital cockpit. A fully customizable curved OLED display provides critical driving information with crystal-clear graphics. The steering wheel features integrated drive mode controls, performance settings, and launch controls inspired by motorsport technology. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin. Artificial intelligence adapts settings based on driver preferences. Voice commands respond instantly. And despite its extreme performance focus, the Nuvolari remains surprisingly luxurious. Dual-zone climate control, premium surround sound, wireless connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems. Everything expected from a flagship Audi. Because true luxury doesn't disappear when performance arrives. It evolves. Now let's talk about what makes the Audi Nuvolari truly extraordinary. Its power. Mounted behind the cabin is an all-new twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain. The gasoline engine alone produces enormous performance. But Audi didn't stop there. Advanced electric motors provide instant torque, enhanced acceleration, and improved efficiency. Combined output: an astonishing 1,001 horsepower. Let that sink in. More than 1,000 horsepower. The result is acceleration that feels almost violent. 0 to 100 km per hour takes approximately 2.3 seconds. 0 to 200 km per hour happens in under 7 seconds. And the top speed? More than 350 km per hour. That's hypercar territory. Power is delivered through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. Intelligent torque vectoring continuously distributes power between all four wheels. The outcome is unbelievable grip, unmatched stability, and confidence at speeds most drivers will never experience. This isn't merely fast. It's ferocious. Building a 1,000 horsepower supercar is one thing. Making it controllable is something else entirely. That's where Audi's engineering brilliance comes in. The Nuvolari features an advanced adaptive suspension system capable of adjusting thousands of times per second. Rear-wheel steering enhances agility at lower speeds while improving stability at higher speeds. Active aerodynamics constantly optimize airflow. A carbon fiber monocoque chassis minimizes weight while maximizing rigidity. Electronic stability systems analyze driving conditions in real time. The car thinks faster than the driver and reacts before problems even occur. Whether attacking a racetrack or cruising along a coastal highway, the Nuvolari delivers exceptional balance and precision. Even with extreme performance, Audi remains committed to innovation and safety. The Nuvolari features next-generation sensors, cameras, and radar systems. Advanced collision prevention technology continuously monitors surroundings. Predictive driving systems assist without interfering with the driving experience. The carbon fiber safety cell provides exceptional protection. And artificial intelligence helps optimize vehicle dynamics in real time. This isn't just one of the fastest AUDI'S ever built. It's also one of the smartest. Not everyone will own an Audi Nuvolari. And that's exactly the point. Production is expected to remain extremely limited. Each vehicle will be individually assembled with extensive customization options. Owners will be able to choose unique materials, colors, interior finishes, and performance configurations. Every Nuvolari becomes a personal masterpiece. A rare collector's item from the moment it leaves the factory. And with exclusivity comes prestige. This isn't simply transportation. It's automotive art. Of course, engineering excellence comes at a price. The 2027 Audi Nuvolari is expected to start well above $500,000. Highly customized examples could approach or exceed the $1 million mark. Expensive? Absolutely. But when you're buying one of the most advanced performance machines Audi has ever created, the price becomes part of the story. The 2027 Audi Nuvolari represents everything enthusiasts love about the future of performance cars. It combines breathtaking design, extreme power, cutting-edge technology, luxury craftsmanship, and world-class engineering into one unforgettable package. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's incredibly fast. The Audi Nuvolari isn't trying to compete with the world's best supercars. It's trying to become one. And judging by what we've seen today, it just might succeed. So, what do you think about the new 2027 Audi Nuvolari? Would you choose it over Ferrari? Over Lamborghini? Over McLaren? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury cars, supercars, and hypercars. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Rocket checkered flag fire.